Hello everyone, we have a problem here and we've been asked to find the area of this rectangle, and the only information we are given is this side, which is 6 units. So how to find the area? In a rectangle we know that the area is equal to the multiplication of both sides. So we need the length of this side and also these sides. So for the horizontal side, we have this segment that I donate by R, which is equal to this segment, which is also R, and also this segment, which is R. So this also is R. The whole length of the horizontal side is 2R. For the vertical side, we also have this segment, which is R, the radius of the circle. We will also have this side as R, and also we donate this segment as Y. So we will have Y here, and the vertical side is R plus Y. So we can write the area of the triangle is equal to 2R times R plus Y. If we multiply these to the parentheses, we'll get 2R squared plus 2R times Y. So how we can relate these parameters R and Y? If we draw a line from the center to the circumference, we can get two triangles. Two right triangles, one here, AOC, and one here, ABC. And we can use Pythagorean theorem to find the relationship between these segments. So if we use Pythagorean theorem for both triangles, the first one is ABC. We can write AB is equal to 6. AC is not defined. We can define it by Z. It's also will be Z. BC is the addition of R and Y. So we can write BC as R plus Y. OA is not defined, and it's the radius of the circle. So in here we can write OA as R. OC is also donated by Y. So it is Y. So we can write 6 squared is equal to Z squared plus R plus Y whole to the power of 2. If we simplify it, we'll get 36 Z squared plus R squared plus 2R times Y plus Y squared. For triangle AOC, we can write R squared is equal to Z squared plus Y squared. So we want to get rid of Z. So we subtract Y squared from both sides. We'll get Z squared is equal to R squared minus Y squared. Finally, we substitute this value for Z in this equation. So we can get 36 is equal to R squared minus Y squared plus R squared plus 2R times Y plus Y squared. We can cancel out Y squared and we can add these two factors. So we'll get 36 is equal to 2R squared plus 2RY. If we take this to the area, we can see that this expression is similar to this one. So the area should be equal to 36. This is the final answer for the problem. Have a good time.